was thinking of you because I thought, you know, my dermatologist could take this off, but you'd be more fun.
Yeah, I am a lot more fun.
Now,
that's
she's
for
good
sure.
looking, but
well, you got to go with good looks. Always go with good looks. I mean,
yeah.
All right, your nickname's going to be Red Brick.
Okay.
Actually, I think it was Brick Red.
Red.
Brick
Yeah,
Red. We're going to go
Brick
Brick Red. And you're live. You're okay if we video your procedure for YouTube?
Yes.
All right, and I haven't put my gloves on yet, but this would be the right armpit area or axilla, and that right there is an irritated, inflamed skin tag. We'd actually say it's pedunculated. How do you like that word?
Sounds good.
I just made it up. It's a good word.
But it's a big word.
Well, it is a big word. Big word for a big guy.
Uh-oh.
A Brick Red guy. Oh, you heard
Are
me?
you sending it to pass? Or no?
No, that's just a regular skin tag that's irritated. I'm not worried I'm not worried that's a cancerous skin tag or anything like that.
No.
So we're not going to charge you any extra fees.
All right.
And well, you can just pay though if you want.
No.
If you feel up to it.
Yeah, my hips are hurting.
What happened to your hip, Gummy Jean?
It's been hurting ever since after the surgery.
Oh, it's just because you're not moving right yet. Are you doing some therapy yet?
I feel like I'm moving right.
Aren't you doing therapy?
No,
Well,
I'm not. I don't have to.
You know, okay, so they're just going to declare you well.
I guess.
Well,
You need to move more.
Still healing.
Go do.
I need to get on the elliptical.
No, I'm trying to think. You could do some yoga. You could do some Pilates.
Pilates.
Or
Something
hot
to get me
Pilates.
stretching.
Something like that. Yeah, get you moving.
Okay.
Elliptical's the best.
What's good?
Elliptical's the best.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Moves
but
every joint
You
in your
said I
body.
could get on it.
yeah, but with an elliptical though, you have to be real careful when you just had back surgery.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Because I'm clumsy and all that type of stuff.
I wasn't. Did you want the anesthesia special today?
Yeah.
He wants the anesthesia,
Oh.
Gumby Jean.
Yeah, that stung.
I need, what I just did stung a little bit?
Yeah.
The little alcohol swab?
Oh, yeah.
Well, we haven't done any
wow.
cutting or anything.
I
It
know.
must really be irritated.
It is. Yeah.
Did you try to pull it off?
No, I think I probably tried to.
Can you see okay?
Not intentionally.
All right, she's going to spray a little cold spray right there at the base. Ooh, that's going to be, there you go. And now you're going to feel a little, what's
Stick,
he going to
sting,
feel?
and a burn.
That's right, stick, sting, and a burn.
It's okay.
We'll numb that dude up a little bit.
Now my teeth don't hurt.
Now your teeth are feeling a lot better.
That's right.
Your teeth was hurting?
No.
He's
Oh.
putting you on.
You guys, listen. I'm so slow when it comes to stuff like that. I don't know when you're joking and when you're not.
Yeah, when they numb your teeth up, they don't hurt anymore.
Gotcha.
You know?
Like dental work.
That's right. Now, believe it or not, we're going to do this with a pair of scissors. Do you believe that?
I believe it. I saw them, that's why.
There it goes.
There it is.
Just
Really?
fell off.
That's too easy.
It is pretty easy, I have to admit. Gumby Jean's going to give me a needle driver, and she's giving me some 5-O-ethylon. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
And we're just going to put a stitch through that so it doesn't
That
bleed.
was quick.
And since Brick House, I happen to know, is married to a retired nurse.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I believe it'll be just fine in a week or so if she removes this stitch.
Well, I might just remove it.
Or you could remove it, depending on, you know.
I think I'll have the nurse remove it.
I think I would too.
Uh-huh.
I happen to have, we have that in common. We're both
Yeah.
married to nurses. You don't do something that the nurse should do, because then
No.
you're just going to get in trouble. There's no sense in that, is there?
Nope.
Gumby Jean, can you give me a little cut right there? Oh, you can do it. Perfect.
Wow. So easy.
Well, yeah. Just hold pressure on that for just a moment, it'll stop. Just a little bleeding on the edge, but that should do it for us. All right, sir. Well, thank you so much for allowing us to video your pedunculated skin tag removal
Very
for
good.
YouTube. I wonder if I have to put a
Good.
second stitch in
Want another
there.
stitch?
I may go ahead and put a second stitch in. That was a pretty big size snip. All right.
Never felt it.
Never felt, well,
Never
that's
felt
the
the
problem.
snip.
He didn't feel it.
Yeah.
And tell your darling wife that we put 2 stitches in.
They charged me twice the money, huh?
That's, well, we do charge by the stitch.
Yeah.
My new care program. My new wound program. You get stitches, you know. First stitch is free, but then, you know, every stitch after that a little bit more.
Cheaper by the dozen.
Yeah. All right, Gumby Jean.
I'm going to give him a trim.
We'll teach him for bleeding.
All right. Gee.
Now you're good.
Put a band-aid.
Right.
I think just a little dry bandage on that should be fine. You did great. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Brick house, you rock. Or brick
Worked
red.
well.
Brick house.
Brick house.
Whatever your
Brick,
name is.
Red.
Brick red.
Brick red. All right, buddy. Thanks.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.
All right, folks, this is Emily, and Emily's been using Cocoa Skin Plus. Emily, you want to give your personal testimonial?
I started taking Cocoa Skin Plus about 6 months ago, and since then I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's softer, my hair is softer, and it's grown so long.
Awesome.
I highly recommend it. I've definitely noticed a difference. It's definitely helped my hair feel better, my skin feel better, and you can pick it up on Amazon.
All right, check out Cocoa Skin Plus on m7amazon.com. Available, and it was designed by Dr. John Gilmore. Thanks.